How to fix Google and YouTube history showing searches I didn't do. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first thing first, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our YouTube application is updated to its latest version so that we avoid any sort of glitches while using the app on our device. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version, so we're just going to tap on that and then go to our profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then we're going to tap on the settings at the top right corner of the screen, and then we can see the option of autoplay over here, so just tap on that and make sure you disable this option, because a lot of time while auto playing also the history gets searches that you don't do, because it keeps on continuous video playing. So go back and you can go to your Gmail account and make sure that you log out of all the other devices for a while, because a lot of times when you're logging into a lot of accounts, that also shows searches that you don't do. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.